A very good morning, students. Today we will be discussing about types of disability, their causes and nature. Now we are discussing about cognitive disability. It is neurological disorder in the child that creates hindrance or obstruction for individual to store, process or produce information. Whatever things they cannot remember, they cannot recollect the informations. This is related with the neurological disorder in the child, and this is another feature of this. This can affect the ability to read, write and speak. Child feel difficulty in reading, writing and speaking. Though child learn already, but still it is recollect the thing, particular word, it is difficult for the child. What are the three type of cognitive disability? Number one is memory disorder. First symptom is memory disorder. Means child is not able to remember the things what has taken place before few hours or before a day. Whatever he or she has heard, said or saw sometimes ago. मीन्स कुछ चीज़ें थोड़े समय पहले उसने देखी है, सुनी है या बोली है. Those things individually not able to remember, that will be the memory disorder. Means याददाश्त कम रहना. Second one is hyperactivity. Hyperactivity is related with the हिंदी वर्सन इज ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा चंचलता, चंचल ज़्यादा होना. That will be this kind of children, they cannot have attention on one particular place, or it is difficult for them to stay on one particular position for longer period. One example I want like to give here, that is, suppose in our assembly activities we are asking children to sit for yogic activities and all, like Brahmari Pranayam, Anulom Vilom Pranayam, chanting Omkar, and afterwards prayer. During this period you people are sitting in attention, but the child, those who are suffering from hyper activity, they cannot sit for long time. They will be keep moving, they will be keep disturbing the side person. This is because they are hyperactivity. They cannot concentrate or focus their attention particularly on one particular object for longer period. This kind of children are hyperactivity. And third one is dyslexia. Dyslexia is related with the not able to concentrate for reading and all, and writing or speaking problem. You might have seen the film Tare Zami Pe. In that child, he is not able to read what is written by the teacher on the board. He is not able to copy in his notebook, and later on that teacher he drawn his attention towards the painting and all, and he become one of the best child. That child was having dyslexia. You remember his words once, that teacher asked that आप क्यों नहीं लिख पा रहे हो, तो उसने क्या बोला कि जब मैं बोर्ड पे देखता हूँ लेटर्स आर डांसिंग. मीन्स A, B, C, D, all these letters are written on this. That will be visibilities like that, all are dancing. So individual is not able to grasp the word and write. One more example I will give, dyslexia. Suppose you ask this kind of problem in the small children, nursery, LKG, UKG class first, that write B. So they will be writing B like this, B, and when they write, they will write D, and D also they will write as a B. C, when they are writing like this, instead of this they will direct this side. This is sign of dyslexia. I am not telling that basic students like nursery, LKG, every child will commit such mistakes. They are not suffering from dyslexia. But on later stage also, if they commit like these mistakes, they are having problem of dyslexia. Thank you. Have a good day, healthy day.